Hi guys, so I'm gonna show you a quick technique of how to do the beach wave. So I'm gonna start from the bottom. So I get a section of the hair, I pin the rest. I use a little bit of volumizing powder. Brush it through. Okay. So I'm going to do big barrel relaxed wave today. So I don't want, so as you know, the smaller the sections, the tighter the curls. So if I'll grab just a little section of the hair and curl it. It'll be very tight. It'll be a very small tight curl. So I want to do a bigger barrel curl today. So I'm going to grab a bigger section, put some heat through it. And Becca's hair, because she's just washed it, is a little bit frizzy today. So I want to make sure I really squash the hair down and I really pull it down so it's smoothed and curled at the same time. So just keep twisting your straighteners, keep twisting. When you're ready, you can release. And what I recommend is, if someone's got super soft hair, grab it and pin it. Again, the heat will work through it and it will hold the style better. So I'll pin one curl and one I won't, so you can see the difference. Give a little spray, and I tend to leave it. I don't break it up straight away. I tend to leave it in a little Downton Abbey curl because it sets for me. So I want to make sure it's not going to fall apart too fast. Grab another section of the hair. Big section. So again, if you're not too comfortable with sort of putting the hair in between the plaits, because you can do that and pull it down and twist at the same time, or you can literally twist the straighteners and pull it down, and that will curl it and it will smooth out at the same time. But the more you twist, the curlier your hair, basically. So basically now we can break up the curl with our fingers. And voila!